Morning students. In the previous session we have discussed how to create blogs by using wordpress.com. But what happens if your internet connection is not working? Then is there any option to create blogs when the internet connection is not available? Yes. In this session, we will learn how to create blogs using an offline editor uh, and publish blog whenever the internet connectivity is available. So today's topic is using offline blog editors. Offline blogging. Offline blogging is the process to write a blog post when the user is not connected to internet and publishing the blog whenever the internet connectivity is available. Offline blog editors. For the bloggers who cannot use internet 24 hours a day, but they have to update their blogs regularly. Offline blog editor is the best option. What is an offline blog editor? It is the application software which helps the user to easily write, edit, manage the contents of blog, spell check the blog, insert pictures, videos, etc. without being connected to the internet. Advantages of offline blogging. Apart from publishing or creating blogs offline, it has number of other advantages also. Offline blog editors are faster than the online blog editors. Another advantage is that backup copy of the post can be saved on the user storage device. If we are working on the online blogging, then what happens, our post is published and its details are published on the web server. But if we are using offline blog editors, then copy of the post can be stored on the hard disk or a pen drive, etc. directly. Then it also provides the same settings for the images, videos and links, etc. such as in online blog editors. Then it helps to publish multiple blogs quickly, because in an online blog editor we can work at a time only on a single blog. But using the offline blog editor, we can create multiple blogs at a time, and then after that, when the internet connectivity is available, we can publish multiple blogs quickly. Number of free offline blog editors are available which can be downloaded free of cost and installed on the computer, desktop computer or laptop, etc. In this session, we will learn to use an offline blog editor, Cumana. No doubt there are a number of popular offline blog editors. Cumana is one of them. Windows Live Writer is there, Blogdesk is there, Thingama Blog is there, Scribefire is there. But we will discuss how to use offline blog editor Cumana. Cumana is a free blog application which is very simple and easy to use. And if you want to use Cumana, first of all you have to download and install Cumana. It can be downloaded from cumana.com, www.cumana.com. Once installed, you can use the programs to manage the blogs. The download of Cumana is very quick. File size is very small, so you can easily install it and use it. Main features of Cumana is you can easily set up multiple blogs. Then user interface is best. What you see is what you get in this interface. Then insertion of images and other files is very easy. You can easily change the size of the images, and you can add the borders also in Cumana. Another feature is that built-in spell check is there. So by if by mistake any spellings are wrong, then it will notify you, it will alert you so that you can correct the spellings in your post. Another feature is that you can make a post to multiple blogs. The same post to the multiple blogs can be added. As we have discussed that Cumana is what you see is what you get blog editor, and using its software is wonderful to use. Even a little knowledge is not necessary, strictly necessary. You can explore it easily and you can be well versed with this software. To launch Cumana, you have to click on Start, Programs, then under Programs you will see Cumana icon, then again after that you have to click on Cumana. Or you can double click on the Cumana icon on the desktop if it is available. To use with Cumana, you need an existing blog account. In this exercise, we will discuss how to use existing WordPress account with Cumana. To use existing WordPress account with Cumana, you have to enter your WordPress blog address which you have created and then click on Next button. When you click on Next button, you will see a login window appears. You have to provide the details of your WordPress account and then give your WordPress blog address in the web address field. Then by using your username and password for the WordPress account, you have to click on Next and then Finish. Upon clicking Finish, you will see your existing blogs as well as if the posts which are available in your blog. How to create a new post? To create a new post, you have to click on New Post. When we will click on a new post, then a window which is being displayed in the slide that will appear. You have to enter the title for the post in the title field and write the content in the area which is given below the page title. And then click on Publish Post. Once you click Publish Post, post will automatically updated to your WordPress blog. To view the published content, you just have to open the web browser, whether it's a Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer or any other, and type your blog address. And you can see the published contents. Publish a post with the picture. If you want to insert a picture in a post, then how can you do that? To insert a picture, you have to click on the image icon on the right hand side of the application. You can see the toolbar in the slide. In the right hand side, an icon is there. So you have to click on that. When you click on the image icon, a window will appear. You can see the window in the slide. Here a browse button is there. So you have to click on browse button to locate the image, means to give the path of the image where it is available if you have to insert it into the blog. So on clicking the browse, another window will appear in which you have to locate the image which has to be loaded. It means you have to give the path of the image to be inserted. Once you have chosen the image, you have to click on upload and insert button, and after uploading and insert button clicking, you have to click on the publish post. So once you publish post, your post will be uploaded when the internet connection is available. To view the published content, open the web browser and type in the blog address. After typing the blog address, you can easily view the published content even along with the picture if you have inserted. And uh, that's all with this session. Now you can try other blog applications also, such as Windows Live Writer, BlogDesk, Thingama Blog, Scribe5, or any other, using the different blog accounts. So first of all, create your blogs and then publish that blogs. After that, you can use offline blog editors also for your practice.